Welcome back to your daily dose of tech and finance insights, where we break down the latest trends and news shaping our world. Get ready to dive into today's highlights that could impact your wallet and gadgets. The integration of AI within traditional sectors like manufacturing, logistics, and energy significantly enhances operational efficiency and profitability by streamlining processes and minimizing costs. This trend is critical as it not only uplifts EBITDA for companies, but also sets a precedent for potential applications in media and content distribution, indicating that the principles of AI optimization could be universally beneficial across diverse industries. Understanding these advancements is essential for stakeholders to leverage similar strategies in their sectors, fostering innovation and competitive advantage. The integration of AI into traditional industries marks a pivotal shift towards increased efficiency and cost-effectiveness. By significantly reducing logistics and inventory costs while enhancing service levels, companies can achieve substantial operational leverage, contributing to improved EBITDA margins. As industries adopt self-optimizing supply chains, the potential for scalability and resilience grows, underscoring the urgency for firms to invest in AI technologies to remain competitive in an evolving market landscape. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more daily insights. See you next time.